Hello, children. Today, we are going to learn about family. What is a family?
Daddy, Mummy, and me.
Look at all these different families. Which one is more like yours?
Come, we will show you. This is father. This is mother. These are our parents.
What do your parents do?
Father works hard at his office during the day. He then comes home and helps us with our homework. He even tells us a bedtime story before we go to sleep. Mother works very hard during the day. She cooks for us, cleans the house, goes shopping for fruits and vegetables, and takes care of us. This is my sister. This is my brother. We live with our parents and we go to school together. We are a small family.
A small family is also called a nuclear family. A small family is made up of two parents and one or two children. Hey, where are you going today?
It is summer vacation and we like to spend fun times with our family. So, we are going to Grandpa's house.
Wow, that's great.
Why don't you come with us?
Wow, that is a big house.
That is Grandpa's house. Grandpa lives here with Grandma.
Let's meet them.
That is Grandpa. He is a farmer. He works on the farm. That is Grandma. She takes care of the home. This is Uncle Neil. He helps Grandpa on the farm. This is Aunt Rita. She's married to Uncle Neil. She teaches in the village school. These are our cousins. They are Uncle Neil and Aunt Rita's children. This is a large family. Uncle Neil has a twin brother, Sean, who also lives in the same house. Grandpa and Grandma, along with Uncle Sean and Uncle Neil and his family, live together. Therefore, they are called a joint family.
That is great. A joint family has so many members. Did you know that a large family is made up of grandparents, parents, and 3 or more children? And who is this?
This is Mala. She helps Grandma with the housework.
Did you know that maids and people who help at home are called domestic help? It's important to respect their time and work. Always be polite to them. Hey, what are you up to?
We are helping our cousins to do some housework. We are cleaning some of the leaves in the garden and watering the plants. Mummy and Granny must be tired after cooking lunch in the kitchen. Let's help them too.
Good idea, children.
I have an idea. Let's help Granny to set the plates and glasses on the table. Good idea.
That's a great idea. Did you know that you can help your parents by doing some housework, like cleaning and keeping things tidy? You can also help by getting dressed for school and keeping your toys and books in the proper place. Happy families share housework, and when you help, work gets done faster.